Vanilla marshmallow. I really enjoyed experimenting with a chocolate marshmallow as a layer in a mousse cake instead of a sponge. That idea worked beautifully and I'm definitely going to keep developing it. So more mousse cakes and layered desserts are coming. Today though I'm making a vanilla marshmallow because not everyone likes dark chocolate. I personally didn't enjoy dark chocolate until my late 20s. So I completely understand those who prefer the white chocolate side. Let's go through the ingredients first. You will need a gelatin powder. I'm using widely available platinum strength, usually around 235 to 50 bloom. Cold water to hydrate the gelatin. For the syrup, you'll combine water, sugar, glucose syrup, and honey or inverted sugar. Why inverted sugar? Honey is a natural inverted sugar, but its glucose-fructose ratio isn't a perfect 50-50 split. Inverted sugar gives you a cleaner flavor, better moisture retention and a longer shelf life. It's ideal if you can't use honey in case of allergy. You can replace honey with the inverted sugar in a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm going to flavor my marshmallow with a vanilla paste, but optional flavoring a liqueur like raspberry, mango or passion fruit. Now the method. Start by hydrating the gelatin in the cold water. I prefer to use a as wide as possible bowl so the gelatin hydrates easily without any dry lumps inside. Set it aside and let it fully absorb. In a large saucepan, add the syrup ingredients in this exact order. Start with the water, sugar, glucose syrup, and honey or inverted sugar. Water must go in first, so it dilutes the sugar. If sugar hits the pan before any liquid and you don't stir, it can burn. Cook the syrup to 125 degrees Celsius or 257 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature determines the firmness of the marshmallow. In the dark chocolate version I made earlier, the cocoa solids helped the structure, so the temperature wasn't as critical. Here it absolutely is. Once it reached 125 degrees Celsius, let the syrup cool down to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. If you pour it hotter than that, you will damage the gelatin structure and affect the firmness and stability. This cooling step matters. Place the bloom gelatin into the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk. Mix on a low speed for 20 to 30 seconds just to break it up. While you're waiting for the syrup to cool down, you can prepare your frame. I'm going to use a baking paper, and size of my baking paper is 30 by 40 centimeters. Depending how you're going to use marshmallow, you can make it thicker by making the frame smaller, or you can extend it and make a thinner marshmallow, which is perfect for wagon wheels or layers in mousse cakes. Spray it with oil. And prepare the paper that goes on top of marshmallow, spray it with oil as well. And just keep it aside. Set the medium speed on your mixer and slowly stream in the hot syrup. Then whip on a maximum speed for 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture is aerated, thick and glossy. Add your liqueur or flavoring and add color if you want it to match the flavor. And mix it just to combine. Spread the marshmallow into a cake frame or a tin lined with a well-oiled parchment. Make it thinner if you are using it for wagon wheels or as a cake layer, or thicker if you are cutting it into cubes. Lay a second sheet of oiled parchment on top, smooth it out by hand and let it set overnight. If you are enjoying the marshmallow on its own, cut it into cubes and toss it in a non-melting icing sugar. If you are making it ahead, keep both sheets of parchment on and cut it when you need it. This prevents the marshmallow from drying out. I personally don't like marshmallow dusted with extra sugar, so I keep mine plain and cut small pieces when I want them.